So yeah, this is my buy. This is what Euro did. I'll be breaking down Euro too for y'all, gang. Like anything I can do to help y'all make money in this market, I got y'all. Starting the beginning of the month, it wasn't an uptrend. From January the 3rd, January the 4th, but all the way up, making higher highs and higher lows. You can see structure, more structure. Euro likes to move like this. Like Euro moves pretty fast. Made higher lows and higher highs all the way up to take profit 7, creating a new high for the year. At 14, it hasn't been up this high since let's see if we go to the 2 hour. Let's go to the 2 hour real fast. Price hasn't been up here. Like you can see, price was started off January the 3rd, December 31st at take profit 4. What did it do? Drop all the way down to take profit 1. It hasn't been up to take profit 7 since. If we scroll back, in time, price hasn't been all the way up here since January the 10th. No, I mean since November. It hasn't been all the way up here. Since November 15th. It hasn't been all the way up here since then. As price is at 14 right now, you can see price is at exactly at 14. We scroll back, boom, price is at 14. So it hasn't been up here since November. So this created a new high. January 14th is the highest point that price been at 114,847 before heading back down after making a major move like that from January January the 3rd. You see from January the 3rd, making higher highs all the way to take profit 7 from take profit 1. If price started consolidating, you can see it's consolidating. Now it's making lower lows and lower highs, and that's what it did for the week. Got to take profit 1, and started heading back up to take profit 3. Started pushing back up to take profit 3. So if we go back to the 1 hour real fast. Just paying attention to structure, looking at the daily. The daily will tell you exactly what price is doing. Of course, we could draw a Fibonacci from here to here. Draw a Fibonacci, from here to here, 27 extension, boom. Right to the 27 extension, price went right to 27 extension level, boom, and what did it do? Reversed it back up. Reversed it back up. You could see, price will start consolidating at what 0.5 level, 38.2 level, 38.2 level, 0.5 level. Price will consolidate at these levels, 61.8 before what? Continuing down, So it will consolidate at these levels at 0.382 and 0.5 and 0.168. Price will stop, Fibonacci from the swing high all the way to the swing low. It'll stop at 0.5, 61.8. It'll retest to these levels, these 3 levels, 0.382 level. It'll retest here for a day or two, or for a couple hours before what? Pushing back down all the way to 0, and eventually, it retested back up before going all the way down to take profit 1. As you can see, price is clearly in the downtrend, making lower lows and lower highs, and lower lows, lower highs. You can get on off the high. Once price retests 61.8, it got in. It retested back up to 0.5. It got in at these 3 levels. 61.8. If you had missed originally, getting up from take profit 7, you could have got in at take profit 7. Of course, take profit 6. If you had missed that move, wait for price to retest. Wait for price to retest to 61.8 and made a higher low at 61.8. Then you could have got in. Went to 0.5 level, you could have got in right here. Once it retested back up at 0.5 level, you could have got in. Also, you could have got in at 0.618. Obviously, you could have got in at 0.786 around here too if you wanted to. Could have gotten up here. But if you miss that move, obviously you could wait for the retest, boom. Once it gets to 0.618, boom, get in, and you could have rolled it from 0.618 all the way down to take profit 1, or from 0.5 all the way down to take profit 1, or even at 0.382, and you could have rolled it all the way down to take profit 1, and you're still in profit. You're in profit all the way from take profit 7 all the way to take profit 1. It's how Euro moves. Euro moves pretty good. It moves pretty fast. It makes big moves. I like to trade Euro too, because Euro usually does like what gold likes to do. Likes to move like this. So once it gets to 0.618, 0.5, or 0.382, once it gets to, it retraces back to these levels, these 3 levels, you can get in. That's when you can get in. And you just obviously you will follow the overall trend, which is a downtrend. You'll follow the overall trend all the way to take profit 1. Boom, you're all the way in profit from take profit 6, 7, 5. From these 3 key levels. These are like retracement levels: 0.618, 0.5, and 0.382. You could have gotten at any of these levels, and you'd have been in profit always to take profit 1. Once it gets to take profit 1, it starts to consolidate, get out the trade. Once you started seeing the wicks, start seeing wicks and wicks, take profit 1, get out the trade. And yeah, gang, these are the areas that price will retest at, and where you can potentially get in for sales. We're just selling it all the way down to take profit 1. So we got our take profit. These are our key areas that price likes to go to. So this is our take profit areas. Sometimes you see price didn't always get to 27 extension. It ain't always get all the way down there. Sometimes price won't get all the way to 27 extension, but it'll get close enough to it, like 95% of the move. Like it didn't go 100%, but it's got close enough. Like don't be greedy. Take the money, get out the trade. Boom, you're out the trade. And depending on your lot size, it could have easily been 20K, 10K, 5K, 1,000, 2K. So just wait for the retest. Wait for price to go to 0.618, 0.5, or 38.2 before getting back in the overall trend, which was the downtrend. And now, price is reversing back up. We see a higher high to take profit 4, and a retest to take profit 3, and then take profit 5. Obviously, we're in an uptrend as price is making, higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows. It could potentially come back to take profit 1 more time before going up to take profit 4. But once you see a higher high, we see a higher high past, take profit 3, and heading to take profit 4. We're in the overall trend. It's an uptrend. The overall trend was a downtrend. You can see we can even draw the trend line right here. If we got Fibonacci on here already, we can even draw the trend line from here to here. Boom, right to take profit 1. Right to take profit 1. Boom. And candles are below the trend line. We're in a downtrend. When candles break the trend line, prices, we're going in the uptrend. So candle finally broke the trend line. So now we could potentially be looking for buys. We see price make a higher high, take profit 3 and take profit 4, gang. So as far as Euro is concerned, Euro was in a downtrend for the last week. For last week, Euro was in a downtrend. Candles are below the trend line. You can see for the week on a weekly. We scroll in. Euro was in a downtrend, for the last week, and it retesting and closed at close to take profit 3, as you can see as we go back to the 1 hour. As we go back to the 1 hour, you can see once price, got all the way to take profit 1, it retested all the way back to take profit 3 and closed at take profit 2 area, close to take profit 3 area, and closed at take profit 2 area for the week. All right, gang. So I hope these videos help. I'll be posting a lot of more content. And you just ride the trend, gang. Get in off of these key areas. 61.8, 0.5, and 38.2. And you just sell it all the way down. You're in profit the whole time. All right, gang. So it's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang.